up, y'all? Right Lifestyle back with another video, man. And yeah, came home to a package. You feel me? So I didn't open it yet. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna open it together. All right, let's go ahead. I know what it is. Let's see if y'all know what it is. I mean, of course I know because I'm the one that ordered it, right? Don't need to worry about that. Don't need to worry about that. Let's see what it is. Okay. 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 Y'all see what it is yet? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we about to be official. We about to be official like a whistle. We about to be official like a whistle. Okay. Okay. I'm hyped, y'all. This junk here. Boom. Boom. We lit. I'm gonna hold these out. So basically, this is what I got, right? Ready? Go. Yep, carbon fiber, but like, look at this. Woo, pictures don't do it no justice. If y'all can see it in person, it just, man, it's some good quality. It's some good quality. I'm trying to get close for y'all so that y'all can see. Look at that. Got it from Dyna Carbon. I'll leave a link in the description. Boy. Oh yeah. So I got where the gear shifter is, the whole dash, and the entertainment area. I thought I got something else, but I guess not. All right, let's go outside, man, before it gets too dark. Cockpit. All right, man, so what I'm gonna do is, instead, if y'all want to see how to put it on there, you can check out my other video. But this is gonna be more of a just me putting it on there. But to prep everything, wipe everything off, you know what I'm saying, like I did. And I'm gonna get everything put on, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. All right, y'all, so unfortunately this is gonna be a two-part video. I can't see, so what I did get done though is fire. So I actually can't wait to get the other piece done. Wait, I'm kind of excited for the other piece. Y'all ready to see now, or y'all just want to wait and see the whole thing? I'll show y'all, because the way you gotta do it is kind of weird. It's kind of funky. So hold on, let me make sure it's all laid down. Yep, it's perfect. All right, hold on. Don't mind the mess. Don't mind. Oh my shoot. I knocked everything out the seat so I can put that stuff down there. But yeah, man, look. Let me take this out. Check this out. Yes, sir. That's a little dirty in there, but don't worry about it. Ooh, a little dirty in there too. We ain't gonna worry about that either. Yes, sir. Look at that. So it actually gives you like multi-pieces that you fit together. It doesn't just sit in there. So you can get it to fit nice and snug and together. But just look at how that look, man. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna do this piece here. All right, y'all, it's another day. Don't worry about my hair. It's cold outside, so I got no clothes, and my haircut appointment later today. But by the time I leave there, it'll probably be dark. So I wanted to go ahead and knock this out. Finish this up. I'm gonna have to do a little review on it. That's mandatory. Cause let's just say it's mandatory. Yeah, it's mandatory we do a little review, because I mean, I like it and all, but some stuff could be a lot different. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't know where this goes, but I got the screen covered. So y'all ready for the review? We're gonna do a review. So we're gonna roll that montage in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so for what it is, I'm not gonna lie, I'm as far as the center console trim, it is amazing. You know what I'm saying? I really like it. It covers everything. It looks pretty good. But as far as the dash, like, it could have been a whole lot better, because it just looks like what it is. Like, you just slapped a big fat sticker on it and was like, yeah, I didn't want to sand my parts out, so here it is. You know what I mean? But other than that, I like it. You know what I'm saying? Let me turn it around. Other than that, man, it's cool for, what it is. See, I don't like this part. Like, you can't really, even if you go on their website and look, you can't not have this not look like it's not together. So yeah, I noticed that. Here, I like it. See, this is the best part right here. So I wish, if I'd known that, I would have just got this and this, right? And this piece. I would just got this, and I wouldn't have got this. I would have figured out something else for this. Like, sent it off and got it done, which I'll probably end up doing that in the future. But for now, it is what it is. See, you got the little surface gaps right here. So if you got silver or something like that, like I do, I wouldn't get the dash trim. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Let me close the door. It's cold. But other than that, man, I like, oh yeah, you got this piece. This piece is kind of just random, because it doesn't really fit. You know what I mean? And then you got this open area right here. I like how they did it with this. You know what I'm saying? That's cool. But yeah, I don't know, man. What y'all think? Let me know down below what y'all think. Like I said, me personally, this part right here, they killed it. This is like the best part. Help me! That's all it's. Help me! But let me see if I can get y'all another angle. Nah. That ain't working too well. Let me zoom out. What about now? Is it working a little better? I don't know. But yeah, man, that's it for today, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, excuse the haircut. I'm going today. Don't even worry about it. Trying to see, get into something this weekend, see what the fellas got going on. But yeah, man, I'm gonna give them at least a 6 out of 10. I'll give them a 6 out of 10, because the dash kills it for me. Like, it just, that's what you see first. You feel me? Like, that's what you really see the most. So that kind of killed it for me. Other than that, man, everything else is amazing. Like, I like it. I really do. It fits smooth, easy application, easy install, all that. Like, it's real quick and easy. But that dash, they need help me buttons for the dash. But anyway, man, I probably will be getting more stuff, like I said, in the future, like the door trim stuff over here. If you can see, just stuff like that, I'll do that. But other than that, I wouldn't get another dash kit from them. I'm gonna see if I can find like an entire dash kit you can just like stick on there. And what's crazy is the dash kit was the most. I had a 30% discount on it, so I'm not too mad. But I'll leave a link in the description below, so if you're interested, you can go look and see how much this thing costs for it to look like this. And y'all use me to make y'all decision. That's all I'm gonna say. So until next time, it's your boy Right Lifestyle checking out. Peace.